Hi guys, it is Favorite Things Friday. So today I'm sharing with you a snack that I found yesterday at one of the college campuses that I work at. It's called the Good Bean, and it's basically roasted chickpeas that are dehydrated. So kind of like what they do with dried fruits. This kind is a smoky chili and lime, and it's delicious. But then there's also a sea salt kind, and I'm sure there's other ones as well. So go to the Good Bean. If you Google them, I'm sure you can find them. They're really high in protein, high in fiber. It's vegetarian, and they're gluten-free as well. And their ingredient list is very short, and you can read everything. So it's a great snack, keeps you full, keeps going. Have a good day. Bye.